that is find the value of log of 475.87. So when the log is given to us, then it is log of 475.87. We will write the number into first so it is log of 4.787 into 10 raised to the power 2. When we'll see the table in log, that will be 2 point. We will see 47 in 5 and then 8 and in 7. 47, 47, then third and fourth figure is 9. 47 third, the answer comes to 6775. Then after seeing this, we will see that is the answer, right? So question 2 is 0.0003 log of this. So we will write the log of 3 into 10 raised to the power 4. So it will be 4 minus, character is minus 4 point, and log 3 means log 30 is 477. We have to find the number. So now come the antilog. To find the value of any number, we have to see the antilog also. Okay? So now the question we have, question number 3 is find the number whose log is 2.9878. We have to find the number. Let log x is equal to 2.9878. So log x, that means 2 is our character and 798 is our number. We will see the antilog of 98 and then 7 and then 8th column. So after looking this, it will come 9723. 98 antilog of 98 will be 97. It will be antilog of this will be 98, 7 column is 9705, 97, and antilog of 8 in this column is 18, so it will be 9723. And here the character is 2, so we will add 2 plus 1 3, so decimal will be 9723.3 will be our answer. If we see the log of 97.3 and then see the antilog, it comes to same, right? Example 4 is find the antilog of number 1 2533. So for this we'll see the antilog of 75 in third column and third. The antilog comes to be 5666. 2 plus 1, answer will be 56.3. B, the question is 3.7533. When we will see the antilog, we will see the antilog of 7 and third column and then third. After adding this, it comes to 5660. This is 3 plus 1 4. So this is the answer. C. Then we will see the antilog of 7533. 0.7533. When we see the antilog of 7533, we will see the 75 in third and third. It will come 5660. This is 0 plus 1. It will be 0.5.66. D. 1 bar 0.7533. When we'll see the 7533, it will come 5666 minus 1 plus 1 0, so decimal way will be here only, right? And E, it is 2.7533. Antilog of this 5666, this is minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, so it will be 0.05. Next question. Question number 3 is a different kind of a sum. It is find the antilog of minus 1.2467. When we have to find the antilog of this, first of all we have to see that this is whole number is negative. We have to make it positive. So minus 1.2467 plus 1 minus 1. Right? This minus and minus will become 2 bar, and from this will be minus. It will be 7533. Now we will see the antilog of 7533, that is 5633, 5660. This is minus, this will be the answer. B. Right? Minus 0.62. Solution minus 0.62. This will be plus 1 and minus 1. This will be 1 bar 0.38. Now we will see the antilog 38. Antilog of 38 will be 2399 minus plus 1, so this is the answer. Right? Antilog of this, and this will be the answer. C. Question C is minus 4.9212. So it will be adding 1 and subtracting 1. It will be minus 4.49219 plus 1 minus 1. This will be 5 bar point. This will be 8. This will be 9 1 8. This will be 7088. Now we will see the antilog of 0.0788. Antilog of 7, then 8 and 8. When we'll see the antilog of 7 and 8 and 8, it will be 1199, right? Antilog, and this is 5. Antilog of this is 5 and plus 1 4. It will be 0 0 0 0. This will be my answer. So all this with this exercise is also over. Thank you very much.